family company since 1967. Headquartered in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, we proudly work to provide heavy-duty and industrial-grade equipment to industries all throughout the US of A. Regardless if you're a seasoned mechanic or just successfully completed your first oil change, we're looking to grow our service team with high-quality, dedicated technicians. Whether our techs are on the road or in the shop, they get the job done. And that's where you come in. Every service job is a puzzle, and your mind is the key. Seeing as you're the type of person that has a knack for fixing things, you'll work to repair damages, provide regular maintenance, fix what someone tried to fix themselves, and give the customer's equipment a new lease on life. We're all about solving problems. Your work will be diverse and ranges from a simple electric floor scrubber on up to a monster hydro excavator. Everyone has their specialty, and we'll work together to find what best suits your skill set. This job keeps you engaged, and you'll never stop learning. You're backed up by your fellow technicians. They're in your corner, ready to help you work through a job should you need them. It takes teamwork to make it happen, and everyone is happy to do their part to set you up for success. At Bortek, you'll be surrounded by equally brilliant people, a positive work environment, job variety, experience the inner workings of different industries, enjoy top hourly pay, career advancement and bonus opportunities, competent scheduling, health and retirement benefits, leadership that cares, actively listens, and follows through. We welcome independent thinking and putting your ideas into action. All of us get a kick out of working together to get even better at what we do. To accomplish your mission, you'll work with the latest technology, tools, extensive inventory of parts, and if you're on the road, a decked-out Mercedes Sprinter. Our techs get the best of what's available, so you can efficiently and effectively do your job. On top of that, you'll be supported by the best in-house service advisors in the industry. Our service advisor team works with you to ensure your schedule is dialed in every week, shifts where it needs to, and gets you home on time. We work Monday through Friday, 7 to 4, so weekends are all yours. We're pumped to have the opportunity to work with you and add you to our Bortek family. Apply today, and let's get to work.